CSEN. Today it's our first video and we're gonna teach you about how to interjecting and when to install ACE VoIP on Kali Linux. So as we move forward, let me tell you what is VoIP. So what is VoIP? Voice over IP VoIP is an interesting technology that renders many benefits and cost-effective solutions for communication. Right? It is a methodology and anchored or a set of technologies for the transmission of voice, communication and multimedia sessions over an IP network. And basically more and more small and various businesses are IP based, replacing their old traditional telephonic systems, which is a VoIP based PBZ can provide many features such as multiple extensions, caller ID, voicemail, IVR capabilities, recording of conversations, login, use with hardware based telephones or software based, which are like Aka soft phones. Nowadays there are many vendors for PBX and IP telephones, VoIP services and equipments also like Cisco, Avaya and Asterisk, Storm Thomson, etc. With new technology, there is a new challenge for both the security and defensive side. The danger of the great traditional phone lines was that it was susceptible to eclipse, like the old school way to ever drop on someone's phone line was to physically attach or to connect a small antenna somewhere along with the phone fiber was connected inside or out to their premises. It was about VoIP. Now moving ahead to the next slide. Now here we will discuss about what is the tool ACE VoIP, ACE VoIP. The ACE VoIP is an automated corporate enumerator, is a built and simplest and very important VoIP corporate directory inventory or enumeration tool. It acts as an IP radio phone or to download the name and extension entries that a given phone can display on its screen interface. Now ACE was revealed as an analysis idea or doctrine from VoIP, bulk or hooker. It automates VoIP interventions or the attacks that can be targeted towards the names or the signs in a business directory. The attacks or diminutions will bear out toward the users based on their name rather than targeting VoIP traffic against random or casual RTP audio streams or IP locations. So it was about the ACE VoIP. Now moving ahead to next slide, we have proposing ACE VoIP tool. Now let me tell you, in this concourse we will strive or try to interject you to the ACE VoIP tool and the benefits and the drawbacks of VoIP at the very first level or in the initial level, and then we will tell you about I'll guide you to how to install ACE VoIP on Kali Linux. So let's get started. Now what is ACE VoIP directory tool? Now ACE VoIP directory tool is supporting and it's under the GPL version 3 license, V3 license, And the VoIP is a group of technologies for the transmission of voice messages and multimedias gathering over the IP networks to download the VoIP corporate. Now the ACE uses DHCP, TFTP and HTTP also. Now it works by outputting the directory or catalog to a text file that can be utilized or it can be used as an input to the other VoIP evaluation tools or the assessment tools. If you necessitate or if you lack in addressing the business valuable cost saving advantages through both lesson line rental and call cost working with the VoIP, it would be a very good solution for the company. And since the small and the initiate companies substitute their old classical telephony modes with the IP based ones, they will have various features on the VoIP based PBX also. Now moving to next slide, we have what is VoIP based PBX. Now it's an IP PBX address voice calls over the internet unless known as the VoIP rather than correctly connecting to the PBX with the copper wiring. Phones correlate are connected to the PBX over the phone's local area network, that's in LAN. Now often leveraging the same internet connectivity that where computers mostly do in the offices. That's about the VoIP based PBX. Now we'll see what is PBX. Now here we go. What is PBX? And PBX stands for Private Branch Exchange, which is a retired telephone network used within a business or organization. And the usage is the users of the PBX radio phone system can interact inside in the inner side also within their company and externally also, like with outside the world, using various conversation channels like voice over IP, ISDN or analog. Now the features of the PBX are PBX also enables you to have more major receivers than the dynamic phone lines that are PTSN and grants free calls to users. Additionally, it also presents threads like shift calls, voicemail, call recording, interactive voice menus like IVRs and callbacks. Now, traditionally PBX would have their proprietary phones, such as there would be a way to reuse these phones with a different system. This means that we either have system lock-in, like we are born to same system, because changing system means also changing the phones, which makes it probably expensive to break up, or vendor lock-in. We are born to the same vendor because the phones are only usable with systems from the vendor, sometimes only within a particular range of the systems. But the time and technology, however, have been changed. The consumer or the patron telephony landscape with the flag bearer being the open standards based IP PBX. The point of the IP in this new era is that the phone calls are delivered using the internet protocol or the IP as the underlying transport technology or the transmission technology. Now PBX phone systems are available as hosted or virtually solutions, and has on-premise solutions to be run on your hardware. That's all about PBX. Moving to next slide, we have VoIP benefits. Now, what are the VoIP benefits? So the benefits are like we have lower cost, increased accessibility, complete portability, more power, scalability. Means the range will be so high level trades for small and large teams. Like there will be a high level of features a VoIP will present to them, and we will also have clearer speech quality. Also, it supports the multitasking and more flexibility with soft phones. Now these are the benefits. Now moving to next slide, we will see about VoIP impediments. Means the disadvantages of VoIP. It is common to discover some downsides in several mechanisms. Let's hold a glance at the table of VoIP drawbacks. So the VoIP drawbacks are it's a secure internet attachment obligated. They didn't have any secure internet attachment, and the latency and the jitter are also not proper, and the location is also not traceable if someone gets a emergency call. So basically, if a person does a normal call, he or she will get the location. We can track the location where from the user is calling. Now if someone calls the emergency call from the VoIP, then it's not be traceable. It's very hard to trace from it. Now moving to next slide, how to install ACE VoIP Kali Linux. But before that, I must have to say this the ACE supporting. Now the ACE encourages the VoIP corporate index using Cisco Unified IP phones. Here is it how operates like Snoop CDP to get VVID, adds voice to VLAN interface, VLAN hop, or subsequent traffic is tagged with VVID. It sends the DHCP, the dynamic host configuration protocol request, tagged with VVID. It decodes the TFTP server an IP address via the DHCP option 150. It sends a TFTP request for the IP phone configuration file. It parses the file, learning corporate directory URL, and it also sends an HTTP to get the request from the directory, and it also parses the XML or the Excel data, writing directory users to a formatted text file. That was about ACE supporting. Now, how to install ACE VoIP Kali Linux? As you know, the method of installing tools on Kali is simplistic and very quick. It runs the subsequent command to install ACE VoIP on the Kali Linux. The first is sudo apt install ACE VoIP. That is the installation command, and in this command, in this usage, you will install ACE VoIP and its subordinate packages to install its proviances and the last two ones as it is suggested. Now, in the most of the time about the ACE, it can be practiced in one of the two forms, the ACE VoIP. Now the first one is it can auto discover the TFTP server, the IP address via the DHCP, and the second one is the user can specify the TFTP server IP addresses as a command line parameter of the two. This was about the usage. As I said now just for the usage of this, your logo must be original and unique. Those when I put this one in the upside one, your logo must be original and unique. This means about when we just go through the VoIP, SVoIP. It should be very unique and original in the form of when we are using it, when the usage comes. Can we practice in the two forms? Okay. Now, the first, as I said, it auto discovers the TFTP server, the IP address via the DHCP, and the second one is, as I said, a user can specify the TFTP server, the IP addresses as a command line parameter of the tools. In the next slide, you will get to know, or you will see about how those usages are get started. We will get started through the usage. So this was about the usage as you previously gone through with. Okay, as I shown in the previous slide, get the usages. Now we'll come to the conclusion about this termination. In this session, we have learned about the ASVoIP was accommodated with TOW, and we all learn how to install ASVoIP on the Kali Linux. From now on, you can overlook to the copper wires, handsets, and use an internet correlated connectivity computers, headsets, and VoIP to make calls anytime and at anywhere, at any place. It transforms your voice to a digital signal or flag to permit you to make a call undividedly or directly from a computer, a VoIP phone, or any we can say any data well or driven in equipment, right? In case you are engrossed in getting find more related provisions on the Kali Linux tutorials, or visit tools.kali.org. Thank you for this session. Hope you love this session. Please follow on the social media. Please subscribe and follow for the more cybersec content. Follow on Instagram, on Twitter, on Telegram, and get more involved in the cybersec content. Hope you guys love this video. You guys love this session. Please hit the like button. Please subscribe the channel. Let's meet you in the next video. Until then, goodbye. Take care.